everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Christy.
And I'm Spencer.
And we are here making the most of our short time in Colorado. We have been exploring some ancient ruins today. We got to check out Mesa Verde, which is so cool.
Yeah, it was absolutely incredible how people actually made their dwellings in the side of a cliff.
And to think they just used their hands and simple tools to create it is just really inspiring.
So we did a lot of climbing, a lot of exploring today, and of course we are famished.
So today we've got a quick and simple go-to camp meal. We're gonna be making pesto. So today we've got a quick and easy go-to camp meal. We're gonna be cooking for you pesto chicken pasta.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. Welcome back to Destination Delicious. One of our favorite things about cooking on our 22-inch Blackstone is that even if we want to do something like pasta that you would traditionally do on a stove, all we have to do is throw the pot right on the Blackstone surface, fill it with water, wait till it boils, and we can do pasta just like we would inside.
Which is actually really great for us and convenient because we're boondocking, so using our Blackstone to cook all our meals has been fantastic.
Yep, and speaking of, I've got the pot on this Blackstone already. Water should be boiling soon. I'm gonna salt the water because you always salt the pasta water. And once that's boiling, we'll get our pasta in. In the meantime, I'm gonna start cutting up the chicken.
Sounds great.
For our pesto chicken, we're just using some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm gonna cut those into pieces. All right, now that we got the chicken cubed, I'm gonna get it on the Blackstone. I'm gonna throw some oil down real quick.
For a little extra flavor, we're gonna add Blackstone's chicken and herb seasoning. This meal moves pretty quickly. The chicken is cooking right along, the water's boiling, so I'm gonna add in the pasta. The chicken and the pasta are cooking up nicely. I'm gonna cut up a few pepper slivers as a garnish. Gotta do the pasta test. Try and noodle.
Perfectly al dente, per my calculations. Oh yeah, we need a few more minutes on that.
Yeah.
Good thing we checked.
Yeah, good thing we have a pasta test.
All right, our chicken is done, our pasta is done, ready to drain it.
Let's do it.
Best part about cooking outdoors is when you're just dumping water. You just dump water.
Next, we're gonna add the pasta with the chicken, and then the pesto gets mixed in.
This looks and smells amazing. And I'm hungry and ready to eat, so let's dish it up.
We're almost there. Just a little bit of Parmesan and our peppers on top, and we're ready to dig in. Your fork.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dig in.
This meal never disappoints.
Love pesto.
So rich with flavor, so good. You cook that chicken perfectly. Tastes delicious.
Credit goes to the Blackstone. It tastes really good. The chicken and herb seasoning goes great with the pesto.
As always, thank you so much for tuning in and being here with us as we travel the country.
Cooking delicious meals in amazing destinations. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for everything Blackstone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell so you know every time that us and all the great cooks on the channel put up new videos.
Make sure to check out Betty, Bruce, Todd, Nate, and CJ.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.